the illuminated Meizu headphones can be for you. Called Halo, Bluetooth 4.1 with aptX buds features a 1.5-meter cable including 0.3 m to wrap its ears that lights up and flashes in bright red or blue neon for an average of 5 hours of use with a brightness of 50%. Otherwise, they will last 15 hours if you turn off the light. The rechargeable battery, located at the end of the cable, takes approximately 1.5 hours to charge. Halo uses a Corning light diffusing fiber called Fibrance, which is made of flexible glass that can be bent and curved. These Meizu headphones are not the first with an illuminating cable built around Fibrance. Glow also has a pair that lights up in red, green or blue for $139. Halo has a slider switch that lets you turn lights on and off, and also buttons for volume control, Bluetooth pairing and call features. The headphones are also synchronized with a smartphone application that allows you to control things like brightness and lighting modes. The Halo comes with a carrying case, different sizes of tips to test and a charging cable.